Before you buy Instapage for your landing page needs, there are some key things you need to know. While Instapage is a popular choice, it's important to weigh its pros and cons, especially when compared to other landing page tools on the market. First thing, Instapage is known for its powerful drag and drop editor. This makes it super easy to create professional looking landing pages without needing to write a single line of code. It's a great option if you're looking for customization, but if you compare it to other tools like Lead Pages or Unbounce, you might notice that those also offer a similar user-friendly interface. Next thing, pricing. Instapage comes with a higher price tag than some competitors, starting at around $199 per month. While it's packed with features, it can feel pricey compared to Lead Pages, which offers lower cost plans. If you're just starting or working with a tighter budget, this might be something to consider. Third thing, Instapage's AOB testing functionality is one of its strengths. It lets you test variations of your landing pages to see which performs best, and that's critical for conversion optimization. However, A/B testing is also a feature offered by Unbounce, which many users also swear by, so it's not unique to Instapage. The fourth thing to know is Instapage's integrations. It connects with many third-party tools, including email marketing platforms, CRMs, and analytics software. While this is an advantage, other platforms like ClickFunnels offer a similar range of integrations, making it important to consider which tools you're already using before making a decision. Next, let's talk about templates. Instapage has a wide range of high-quality, pre-designed templates that cater to various industries. If you need a quick solution or inspiration, these can save a lot of time. But again, Lead Pages and Unbounce also provide impressive template libraries, so there's a lot of competition out there. The sixth thing to know is Instapage's collaboration features. It's designed to help teams work together more efficiently on landing pages, allowing for easy sharing, feedback, and approval processes. This could be a deciding factor if you have a larger team. However, other platforms like Unbounce also have strong collaboration tools, so it's worth checking if this feature fits your needs. Seventh, the customer support at Instapage is solid, with live chat and email support. It's reliable when you need help, but some users report that response times can be slow at times. It's something to keep in mind if customer support is a big deal for you. Eighth, Instapage's mobile responsiveness is top-notch. All landing pages are designed to look great on mobile devices, which is essential in today's mobile-first world. This is something you'll also find with competitors like Lead Pages, so you're not locked into just one option for mobile optimization. The ninth thing is Instapage's advanced analytics and tracking. You can track everything from user behavior to conversions, which helps fine-tune your campaigns. But other platforms, like ClickFunnels, also offer powerful tracking and analytics, so again, it's about what aligns best with your goals. 10th, Instapage's page speed is generally fast, which is a big deal for user experience and SEO. Slow loading pages can hurt your conversion rates, so it's good to know that Instapage is optimized for speed. This is something that not all landing page builders prioritize, making Instapage stand out in that regard. The 11th thing is Instapage's focus on enterprise-level solutions. It's a great choice for large businesses with complex needs, offering advanced features like security and compliance options. For smaller businesses or individual marketers, this might be more than you need, and platforms like Lead Pages or Unbounce might be more suited for your needs. Finally, the ease of use. While Instapage offers lots of features, some users find the interface to be a little overwhelming at first. If you're new to landing page builders, you might prefer a more intuitive tool like Lead Pages or even Wix's Landing Page Builder, which have simpler setups. So, is Instapage a good option? It definitely is. With powerful features, customization options, and A/B testing, it's a solid choice for businesses looking to create high-converting landing pages. But if you're looking for a more affordable, user-friendly alternative, we recommend trying our solution, which you can try for free.